Then the intake valve closes, trapping the air-fuel mixture inside the cylinder. Now the piston moves upward, compressing the mixture into a very small space. Higher compression means a more powerful explosion. At exactly the right moment, the spark plug creates a tiny spark, igniting the compressed mixture. As the fuel burns, combustion generates tremendous pressure. That pressure forces the piston downward with incredible force. This is the moment when the engine actually produces useful power. The piston is connected to a connecting rod, which transfers that powerful downward force directly to the crankshaft. The crankshaft converts the piston's up and down motion into smooth rotational motion. That rotating force is what eventually turns your wheels. But the cycle isn't over yet. After combustion, the piston moves upward once again to push the burned gases out of the cylinder. These hot exhaust gases travel through the exhaust manifold, catalytic converter, muffler, and finally exit through the tailpipe. Meanwhile, another system is already preparing for the next cycle. The camshaft precisely controls the opening and closing of each valve. The crankshaft and camshaft must stay perfectly synchronized,